People who say, I want to bring Doc home with me.
Got away with one last bark. Such a jerk. I was trying to not let him go till he was quiet.
Right.
And I said, Sook, and he went, roar.
I did it. Yeah, isn't that enough article? It's a good thing one of you knows what you're doing. That's a tiny article.
Some are big, some are small, but it's the scent he's looking for. So
right.
The goal is to have him be able to find like, the clothespin, which I did lay somewhere on this track.
Did you? Wow.
I know it's wet. We have cuts. I don't want to. It's cold and wet. You gotta make it look better.
Yeah, and Oscar's a sissy about cold. There it is. Good boy.
So it's going to turn right and go up along to that fence. That's where I think the dog crap is. So
okay.
If he stops tracking, we know why.
Is that yours?
Yep. No. Come here. Come here. Soup. Soup. Lots. No. Don't ignore it. Lots.
I'll turn off the camera if you want to beat him.
No.
He's hoping you don't see it so he doesn't have to lie down.
It's really not a nice performance to show up with Doc. It's usually so much better.
He is better than this.
He has been out of practice for
yeah.
years.
Doc's on winter break too.
He was. Now he's got to get back in shape. His obedience wasn't so hot yesterday either. I took him to Asia's thing yesterday.
Oh yeah?
His ass. Oh, it's wet here. I don't want to lay down. Retrieve? How do I do that?
Yeah, if I do that show and go thing, Oscar's head gets so screwed up by new places.
Good. Yeah.
That I'm gonna try and really work him for the next couple of weeks and then still expect him to be a total asshole, basically.
Yeah, I
At least with him, I know he's not gonna like jump the dog next to him or anything.
Yeah.
But
That's why I plan on doing that with Tucker and not with Doc. 'Cause
right.
Doc I can't trust him for 3 minutes unsupervised, whatever.
Yeah, when Oscar leaves his downstairs, he comes looking for me.
Yeah. I mean, I can't guarantee the Doc would do it. It's just too stimulating.
Yeah.
I just can't imagine that would be. I know it's cool. That's class. Come on. Whoa,
Golly, it's cold. Wow.
did good. It's
Piggy
over.
Doc.
You're done.
That's
You're
it?
good. Come.
Yay, Doc!
That's it. Oh, Doc's obsession. Obsession. Yes.
His butt wasn't down.
Oh, really?
That was a fake plot.
Have you all picked it up yet? One more try then. Ouch! Yes! All the way. Is it down?
It's about an inch. There we go.
Yes! Good work. Good dog.
That was like a slow sink in the butt.
Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Ouch. Good. Yes. Yes. It's gonna get so tangled in the throat.
Oh,
Oh, tangle dog. Let's. All the way. Let's.
there we go.
Look at my hand now.
Yeah, he's snapping hard.
The Orby ball. The Orby ball is his favorite thing in the world. We found I bought this one and I found his old ones. Now he has 2.
Wow, Doc's getting spoiled.
Yep. Come on. Out.
You don't really mean it, do you?
Sit.
He's frothing at the mouth.
He loves the Orby. I think it's the texture of the thing that he really likes.
I've never tried those with Oz. I've got to give him a shot because he's so weird about toys.
Yeah, I can't leave it alone with him. It will not last.
Right.
You know, for this kind of thing, he totally freaks for it.
See, and I don't leave toys alone with Oscar anyway because they've got to be novel or he has no interest.
Oh, goodness. You know the Orbeez up there, don't you?